YouTube isn't just a place to watch funny cat videos, it's a powerful platform for entrepreneurs. Millions of people are on YouTube every single day. They are looking for content. They are looking for entertainment. They are your potential customers. As an entrepreneur, you can use YouTube to reach a global audience. You can build a brand. You can even make a lot of money. But how much can you really earn? 1 million views is often seen as a milestone on YouTube. It's a sign of success. But how much money does 1 million views actually translate to? Let's break it down. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. YouTube takes hustle. It takes time. It takes providing value to your audience. Making money on YouTube isn't just about AdSense anymore. There are multiple ways to monetize your channel. First, you have AdSense. This is how most YouTubers get started. You run ads on your videos, and you get paid when people watch or click on those ads. Second, you can offer channel memberships. Your biggest fans pay a monthly fee. This gives them access to exclusive perks, like badges, emojis, or members-only content. Third, you can utilize super chats and super stickers. These are highlighted messages that fans can buy during live streams. It's a way for them to stand out and get your attention. Fourth, you can sell merchandise. This could be anything from t-shirts and hats to mugs and phone cases, all branded with your channel's logo or catchphrases. Fifth, you can land sponsorships. Companies will pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Each revenue stream has its own earning potential. The best strategy? Diversify your income. Don't rely on just one method. AdSense is often the first revenue stream YouTubers tap into. But how much can you actually earn from ads? The answer isn't simple. It's not a fixed rate. AdSense earnings vary greatly. They depend on factors like your niche, your audience, and even the time of year. The magic word is RPM. It stands for revenue per mille, or revenue per 1,000 views. RPM gives you an idea of how much money your videos are generating per 1,000 views. For example, a channel in the finance niche might have an RPM of $10. This means they earn around $10 for every 1,000 views. With 1 million views, that would be $10,000. But a gaming channel might only have an RPM of $5. They would earn $5,000 for 1 million views. Why the difference? Finance videos often attract higher-paying ads. This is because advertisers know that people interested in finance have money to spend. Section 4. Beyond AdSense. Exploring other income streams. AdSense is just the beginning. Let's explore other ways to monetize your channel. Channel memberships are great for building a community. They provide your biggest fans with exclusive perks and content. Think of it like a fan club. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to become paying members. Super chats and super stickers are perfect for live streamers. They allow fans to interact with you directly. It's a way to monetize your personality and your connection with your audience. Merchandise sales are all about branding. When you have a strong brand, your fans become walking billboards. They proudly wear your merch, promoting your channel wherever they go. Sponsorships can be lucrative, but they require building relationships with brands. Create high-quality content, showcase your value. Then, reach out to brands that align with your niche and audience. Remember, diversifying your income streams is key. It makes your earnings more stable and less reliant on just one source. Section 5-7 Key Factors Influencing Your YouTube Income. Your earnings aren't determined by views alone. Several factors come into play. First, your niche matters. Some niches, like finance and tech, tend to have higher ad rates. This is because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach those audiences. Second, understand your audience demographics. Who are they? Where are they from? What are their interests? The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content and attract relevant advertisers. Third, watch time is crucial. The longer people watch your videos, the more ads they see. Create engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Fourth, experiment with ad types and placement. Test different ad formats like pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads. Find what works best for your audience and your content. Fifth, be aware of seasonal trends. Some industries see spikes in advertising during certain times of the year. Capitalize on these trends to maximize your earnings. Sixth, focus on channel membership conversion. Offer enticing perks. Create exclusive content. Make your fans feel like they're part of a special community. Seventh, actively seek out sponsorships. Don't wait for brands to come to you. Reach out to them, showcase your channel's value and how a partnership can benefit both parties. Understanding these factors puts you in the driver's seat. You can make strategic decisions to increase your earning potential. Section 6. Turning YouTube into a full-time gig. Turning YouTube into a full-time job is a dream for many. It takes passion, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Consistency is key. Upload high-quality videos regularly. Stick to a schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Build a strong community. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments. Run contests and giveaways. Make your audience feel valued. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on AdSense. Explore channel memberships, super chats, merchandise, and sponsorships. Treat your channel like a business. Set goals, track your progress, analyze your analytics. Constantly look for ways to improve and grow. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of hard work. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a sustainable career. Section 7. Conclusion. Your journey to YouTube success. Earning from YouTube in 2025 and beyond is more than just a numbers game. It's about connecting with an audience, providing value, and building a brand. 1 million views is an incredible milestone. It represents the potential to earn a significant income. But it's not just about the views, it's about the relationships you build, the community you cultivate, and the impact you make. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Start creating, start connecting, and start building your YouTube empire today.